Welcome back to English class. Hello, dear students. Yes, today we are going to learn a new poem. Okay, before going to start this poem, just see here. Yes, you can say that. See, which is this flower? Yes, rose. This, yes, jasmine. This, lotus. This you know that sunflower, and this one is daffodil. Yes, so daffodil. So our today's poem is related to this beautiful flower. Yes, so here this poem written by William Wordsworth. Okay, Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud. What is the name of the poem? I wandered lonely as a cloud. So William Wordsmith, okay, he is explaining here his experience. Okay, it is actually based on a real incidents. When he was walking with her sister, he just observed a scenery, beautiful scenery of the daffodil flowers. So what thinking came in his mind, he just explained in this poem. Let's see the poem. So, dear students, see here this poem, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. Yes, which is written by William Wordsworth. Yes, so warm up active, what is that? Do you know how a daffodil looks? So, already we have seen this picture, you understood that. Yes, find out where you can commonly find these beautiful flowers. Where you can find? Yes, you have to write it. Okay, here you can see in this picture that poet he sat on one corner of the seas and he just thinking or what he was doing something up with this flower. So he was enjoying that look or that scenery. Okay, so see here. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over wells and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So, poet, he just recall a day, okay, which day when he was wandering aimlessly. Aimlessly means without aim, okay, lonely. He was just wandering, yes, and as a cloud. Why means cloud? Clouds they can float here and there. Floating means moving here and there, just float, yes, and on a high over wells and hills. So wells means valleys, you know that. So usually clouds you can see, yes, it is over the wells and hills. So poet is telling that when I was lonely wandering that time, I just feel that okay he was alone and how he was feeling, he is a cloud. When all at once I saw a crowd, and that time what he seen? Okay, he saw a crowd. Crowd means not a people. Okay, he just seen the cloud of daffodil flowers. See, a host of golden daffodils. So, host means many in number. So, many flowers, daffodil flowers, he have seen. Okay, that color of the daffodil flowers was which? Golden. Yes. So see where is seen? Beside the lake, beneath the trees. Beside the lake. Okay, beside of the lake and beneath the trees. Beneath means like under. Yes, under the trees. Fluttering and dancing in the breeze. And that flowers, what they were doing there? They are fluttering. Fluttering means just movement. Okay, movement. They because of this wind, you know that they can move here and there. So like they are, it is he is feeling like they are dancing in the breeze. Okay, just see the second stanza. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretch in never ending line along the margin of the bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. See, now he is saying how he is describing about the daffodil. Okay, continuous, how they are looking, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. So, stars, how they are shining. Yes, like a Milky Way means what? A group of very many stars which included sun. So they are in a line and continuous, they are what? Shining. And they stretch in never ending line. Even they stretch, okay, they spread a never ending line along the margin of bay. Margin of a bay means sea, Okay, it is actually seaside. Margin means the left. Here see, you can see in this picture where the daffodils are, the see. Yes. So these are the near the bay. Okay. 10,000 saw I at glance. So that how many he is telling? He is describing total 10,000 he have seen. At a glance means in one take. Okay, take a brief look. In one take, how many he saw? 10,000. Tossing their heads in sprightly dance. And what he is feeling? They are tossing their hands. Tossing means what? Like river waves, how they are going there. So tossing, just they are moving here and there their heads, and sprightly dance. Sprightly means what? Joyfully. Okay, you can say that joyfully, even energetically, lively manner they are dancing. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay. In such a jocund company, I gazed, but little thought what wealth the snow, what will the show to me tonight. So here what he is explaining, see, he just waves, okay, beside these waves they are also dancing, but they are outdid. Outdid means how these daffodils are dancing, how they are sparkling, okay, in a glee. In a glee means carefree, okay, they don't have any care, they are carefree. So how they are dancing, yes, in front of these their daffodils dancing, the waves are dancing not a very well. A poet could not but be gay. A poet, he could not be do anything in a jocund company. See, jocund means what here? See here? Yes. So cheerful. So he have cheerful. I gaze and gaze, but little thought. See, he gazed. What gaze? Gaze means watching, staring. Okay, he just gazed that beautiful, that scene, and a little thought. What he thought? See, what will the show to me had brought. See, so he was thinking while seeing them, he just watching it, and he was thinking what made him happy. Okay, what made that poet happy? Okay, who made the happiness? Who brought the happiness? So about this something, yes. So see, for oft when on my couch I lie. See, oft means often. When he was sitting often, see, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flashed upon their inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasures fills and dances with the daffodil. See, when often he was sleeping or laying on this couch or cot, see, when his mind was vacant means what? Vacant means nothing is there in his mind. Okay, nothing any this thinking. Even pensive means deep in thought. Okay, if he was not have anything, or in he was in deep in thought, and he was what he was doing, just they flashed upon their inward eye, and this daffodil scenery, whatever scenes he have seen, it is coming in his mind. Inward eyes means one's mind. Okay, his mind, it is coming there, which is the bliss of solitude, which is the bliss means complete happiness. Okay, and even of solitude, being alone, he was giving a that daffodil flowers, they are giving very good feeling, okay, happiness. And then my heart with pleasure fills, and then his heart, okay, that poet's heart is full of pleasure and dance with the daffodil, and even his dances with the daffodil, and they are his heart also dancing with the daffodil. So here this is the difficult word. See, wells means valleys. Host means many in number. The Milky Way, the group of very much stars which include the sun. Okay, sprightly, energetically, or you can say that lively. Jocund means merry or cheerful way. Oft means often. Vacant means not thinking of anything serious. Pensive means when he is in deep in thought. Inward eye means one's mind. Bliss means complete happiness. And solitude means Solitude means being alone. So he was just remembering, recalling his that day when he was wandering, and when he has seen that beautiful daffodil flowers, and what he thought about this beautiful scenery. Whatever is in his mind, he just explained through this poem. Hope, dear students, you all understood. Okay, once again I will read. Just listen carefully. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Continuous at the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretch in never ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in a sprightly dance. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a jack on company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth that show to me had brought. For oft, when on my couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, they flashed upon the inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Okay, so what you have to do, dear students, just watch this video and write down these difficult words which is meaning, and try to solve the question answers. Okay, we'll meet into next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.